Unrestricted land, 2.5 acres to be exact, and just minutes from Berea. As far as the price, no, it's not a typo. Welcome to Waco, Kentucky, right outside of Berea, where you can actually own land without someone telling you what you can and can't do with it. Inside, cozy, simple living, zero wasted space, zero unnecessary upkeep. 2 comfortable bedrooms, perfect for starting out or slowing down. A functional kitchen that keeps life easy, because affordable living should still feel good. But let's talk about what really matters. Unrestricted, gardens, chickens, workshop, RV, no HOA breathing down your neck. Land like this close to Berea, at this price point, it doesn't sit. If you've been waiting for affordable freedom, this is it. The ice is gone and buyers are getting out. Message me today and let's go check it out before someone else claims it.